Hi, I'm Deanne Fitzpatrick, and I'm here to tell you about Ageless Creativity, my new online course that focuses on the importance of creativity as we age and how creativity is one thing that becomes stronger and more beautiful as we age. I want to share that with you through focusing on self-expression and self-portraiture and rug hooking, as well as the whole idea of ageless creativity. The course begins on February 7th, and we will release the videos for 2 weeks. At the end of that 2 weeks, on the Saturday, February 18th, we will have a beautiful online hooking retreat via Zoom that you can attend or not attend. It will be recorded. And like all our courses, you can take this course anytime you want and do it at your own pace. It's full of ideas, interviews, thoughts, and hooking as well. And it will help you think about your own creativity as you age and the importance of it and strengthening it. And I want to share that with you because that's what I've been doing in the last few years, is really thinking about the importance of my creativity as I age. And I've noticed that it's getting better and it's getting stronger. And I want that for you as well. It will also include a over 100-page PDF of my creativity and aging journals that I'd like to share with you, over 8 hours of video, and lots of activities, ideas, and thoughts for you to join me, as well as the live hooking retreat. So thank you, and I hope to see you there. You can join at hookingrugs.com.